Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a delicious prawn stir-fry recipe that only requires basic ingredients. I learned this recipe from my dad. It's very tasty and super simple to follow. You definitely have to try this. So let's get started. Here I have 500 grams of prawns, washed clean. Cut off the legs. Inside the prawn head there's a pouch that contains dirt. Remove this. Then let's devein the prawn. This green part can be eaten. Instead, you want to remove the black vein behind it. Now I'm going to cut deeper so that it opens up nicely when we fry the prawns. Set the prawns aside. When cooking stir-fry, make sure to have all the ingredients prepared. So here I have 6 cloves of garlic, minced, and 3 sprigs of spring onion, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 to 2 teaspoons of abalone sauce. This is optional, or you can also use oyster sauce. We want to extract the fragrant oil from the prawn shells. This is the secret to making this dish really tasty. So let's start frying the prawns first. 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, it splatters quite a bit, so I'm going to use a chopstick. Try not to stack the prawns on top of each other. Fry until the shell turns golden brown, about 1 to 2 minutes. Flip over and fry until golden brown. It doesn't have to be thoroughly cooked at this stage, as we'll fry it again later. Set aside the prawns. Fry the next batch and add some oil. This is the fragrant oil that will make this dish very tasty. Add more oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and fry on medium heat until fragrant. Add back the prawns. Toss a few times, coat them with the fragrant oil. Add light soy sauce, then abalone sauce. Cornstarch mixture. And some spring onions. That's it, enjoy! Hope you like it. See you next time.